Finding the mean from a histogram. So if we're given a histogram, we can create the group frequency table from the histogram. So our column on the left, our groups, purely come from the width of our bars, our class width. We know that we can find the frequency of the bars by finding the area of the bars. So I'm just going to run through that now. So let's just have a quick look at how I knew that the height of that bar was 5.6, because it's a slightly awkward scale. If we see here, I've got 5 small squares. I'm going to have SS for small squares, is equal to 4 on my scale. So I know that one of those little squares is equal to 4 divided by 5, 4/5, which is 0.8. So each 2 of those little squares is going to be 1.6. So I can see that I'm 2 little squares up from 4, so I add 1.6 to 4 and get 5.6 there. And then the last bar, I've got 20, and then that's 2 small squares high again, so that's 20 times 1.6, so that gives me a frequency of 32. So let's just pop those frequencies in the table. So you should be able to find the mean once you've got the table. I suggest perhaps pause the video, have a go, and then you can just check you've got the correct answer. Just remember that what I found is a mean price, so let's just pop a 0 on the end and put a pound sign on it. And when you've found the mean, always check that it's sensible. A mean price of £8.50, considering my prices range from 0 to 40, and looking at my histogram, I can see that my highest bar is 5 to 8, and I've also got quite a big bar for 10 to 20. It seems reasonable that the mean is £8.50. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is just to jot down in your notebooks how to find the mean from a histogram. And then you'll find some mean from histogram questions under files to have a go at.